Here's what I love about vests for fall. They give you that polished, tailored look without the bulk that is often very unflattering on camera. While everyone else is wearing their oversized sweaters and bulky jackets, you'll look effortlessly pulled together. And let's face it, a lot of times those fall days feel like summer, and so you get that autumn aesthetic without getting overheated. So let me walk you through my 3 favorite fall vests that will have you looking effortlessly chic, whether you're in person or on camera. Well, welcome back if you're a regular. And if you're new here, I'm Julie Hanson, and I help professional women navigate the tricky world of looking stylish and camera ready. We spend too much on clothes to not be able to use them both in person and virtually. So be sure to hit subscribe so you can get all my tips on how to make sure that you're choosing clothes that do double duty. This tailored vest from designer Helmut Lang is a great alternative, not just to bulky jackets, but to black, which on screen can make it look like you disappeared into a black hole to your audience. It's got this great notched lapel, which is flattering and a nice detail. And it's also in a lightweight wool, so it doesn't get too hot, but it still holds structure. And of course, when it gets cool, you have room to layer different tops underneath it for a completely new look that still looks polished. Well, this tweed vest from Rag & Bone really gives me academic chic vibes. Look, tweed is such a staple for fall, and this corset style vest really makes it look modern and fresh. It's in a soft, lightweight wool, which is very comfortable. And it's also a soft tweed pattern, so it doesn't vibrate on camera like some of the bolder tweeds tend to do. And of course, it's great for those warm days, and you can just layer it up with a shirt that you have that looks nice underneath for a whole different look. This is another great vest from Amazon. It's a little more of a traditional suit style vest, more coverage across the shoulders, and nice professional depth on the neckline. It's in a navy, but it comes in a whole bunch of colors. And you can also transform this a couple of ways. Well, if you have a scarf that you like that matches or contrasts, you can just throw it around your neck, tie it however you like to tie a scarf. Just tuck that in there and fit it around your neckline, and there, you have a nice polished, pulled together new look. While this print is probably a little too busy to wear by itself on camera, I love it layered underneath this vest. It just gives a little pop of color and interest, which really sets off this outfit nicely and looks very polished. So there you have it. 3 gorgeous vests that'll take you from summer-like early fall days all the way through those crisp autumn mornings. But before you rush off to start shopping, make sure you stick around because I'm about to share my fall vest shopping strategy guide with you. Are you ready to vest up for fall? Let me know in the comments which of these 3 styles really spoke to you, and be sure to subscribe for more seasonal tips on outfits that work as well on camera as they do in person. So here's your fall vest shopping strategy. Look for rich seasonal textures like lightweight wool or tweed or even corduroy. Choose fall colors other than black that complement your skin tone. Make sure the fit is tailored but not tight. And think about layering potential with pieces that you already own.